Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to number one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the top 3 altcoins to potentially buy today for the Super Bowl hype that I am, predicting myself. This is just a prediction, obviously not financial advice, but I believe that we're going to be seeing a crypto rally here going all the way through Sunday night and potentially even Monday as the Super Bowl is coming here, and we might get a lot of hype because of advertisements and different things that is going to be happening tonight. A lot of cryptocurrencies are going to have advertisements being run during the Super Bowl, which could get some eyes on crypto or people to start investing, and we might see some meme coins start to boom as well. So guys, if you want to see this list, stick around, smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 50 plus likes in this video. Subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification, and let's get into it. First of all, the market is up about 1.44%, so the rally is already kind of starting here. We see Bitcoin and Ethereum are both up about 1.2 and 1.6%. Volume at 16.5 billion on Bitcoin, 9.5 billion on Ethereum. Bitcoin's trading at around this 42,500, Ethereum at around 2,900. We see altcoins are starting to move already. Binance Coin's up 2%, Ripple's up 7%. Ripple is getting a lot of momentum here in 2022. We have Cardano and Solana trading at around 1%, Luna 3%, Dogecoin up over 8.5%, Shiba Inu 10%, Cryptocom 9%. You guys already see the trend right there. So Dogecoin and Shiba, the memes, they might get a little bit of momentum today. We have Crypto.com, one of the biggest advertisements, and they obviously bought, the naming rights to the arena. So over 700 million, I believe that cost them. So that's a huge one right there. This one is going to, in my opinion, continue to move today. And then we have some other winners down here like FTX token, 2.9%, and many other winners here of about 2.5% or so as we continue to move. Now, if we actually take a look at the second page here, we're seeing a lot more cryptocurrencies on this one up, 2% or so as well. If we take a look here, we see the even the metaverse coins are moving a little bit, so things are looking nice, guys, in my opinion. Now let's get into this list. First of all, the crypto bubbles, it's all over the place. We're seeing some green, seeing some red here in the past week or so, but some of the big winners are going to be obviously here. Shiba Inu up over 40% in the past week here. We have some other winners here like Ripple, which is up about 24.6%. We have Elrond up over 27.9%. Ethereum Classic Ethereum Classic there at around 13%, so it's nice to see. Dogecoin 6%, CRO 15.8%, and we see some red ones here like Solana's down a little bit, even Mana, Helium, and some other coins that we're seeing on here. So it's all over the place, but you guys can see the patterns and potentially catch on some of this opportunity that we're seeing here. So first of all, the first altcoin on this list is going to be Shiba Inu, guys. So Shiba right here, I believe the meme coins might get a little bit of a push today because of the Super Bowl. So I think a lot of people are going to start investing. And the easiest one to buy for people is going to be Shiba and Dogecoin, and they're the cheapest ones on the list. So people are going to be looking at those. If we actually look like on Webull or Robinhood, you can buy Dogecoin on both of those, and you can buy Shiba on Webull. So it's going to be very easy for some of these people to get in on these coins, and they see that it's very cheap, and it's a popular name. So Shiba Inu up about 10% right now, trading at 0.00003168. Here in the past week, this one's up over 40%. Past month, we're up 3% from the lows down here. And then on the 1-year chart, obviously, this one is still, rocketing on higher and higher. But like I said, I believe the meme coins might get a little bit of a pump here into the Super Bowl throughout the day. Right now, market cap 17.4 billion. We have volume down about 8% at 1.7 billion. And then we have our typical hold time at 79 days, 67% buy and 33% sell activity on this one. It is ranked the number 10 coin on the ranking, which is incredible to see. Now, Shiba Inu is a token that aspires to be Ethereum-based alternative to Dogecoin. So the popular meme coin, unlike Bitcoin, which is designed to be scarce, Shiba is intentionally abundant with a total supply of 1 quadrillion. The Shiba Inu token ecosystem supports projects such as the NFTR incubator and the development of a decentralized exchange called Shiba Swap. So what is Shiba Inu? Like we just said, they're kind of like a competitor, alternative to Dogecoin. How are they different than each other? Well, I guess you could say, it's compatible with the Ethereum ecosystem, which has allowed the community to create, crypto apps like Shiba Swap, a DEX that allows users to trade and stake tokens without an intermediary. Now, in the future, the Shiba community plans to release an NFT platform and DAO-based governance system for the Shiba ecosystem called Doggy DAO. So that's going to be very interesting for, Shiba and Doge, obviously, because they're both kind of like intertwined and competing against each other. So definitely an interesting one, and one we will be watching here over the weekend, guys. So Shiba Inu coming in at the number 1 spot on our list. Now, number 2 on this list is going to be another big one, XRP Ripple. This one is getting momentum just in general. This is not, a Super Bowl hype type of coin that I'm talking about. This is a just in general coin that I believe will have some momentum here in the next few months and possibly even years. So Ripple is making a little bit of a comeback, even with all the legal issues going on. I feel like a lot of people are starting to get back into this one right now. It is up about 7% here in the past 24 hours, trading at 83 cents. Past week, we're up about 24%. Past month, we're up about 6% or so. And then on the 1 year chart, we're up over 31.6%. Now, last year, this was trading at around 63 cents, went all the way to highs up here at around $1.84, pulled back down with the market to about 55 cents or so, hit highs again and continue to go downward now, hit that 60 cents, support level right there, and then it continued to push on higher and higher now as we see a little bit of a trend on up. 39.7 billion market cap. Volume is up about 18% at 3.4 billion. And then obviously, like we said, the all-time high there at around $3.84. So we're still a long ways away from there. Now, in light of the SEC's action against Ripple Labs, trading in XRP has been suspended here of January 19, 2021. XRP is a cryptocurrency used by the Ripple payment network. Built for enterprise use, XRP aims to be a fast, cost-efficient cryptocurrency for cross-border payments. So definitely an interesting one here as it continues to gain more momentum here because of different things. Obviously, it's not supported here on Coinbase, but you can find it on other apps because of this legal issue. It is not traded on Coinbase. But Ripple, I believe that once all of this FUD is gone and all this stuff that's going on around them, I believe this one will continue to rise on back up and make some decent gains because this was one of the top coins back in the day. It was up there with Litecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum. Definitely Ripple was up there in the number 3, number 4 spot, competing with the big dogs. So definitely an interesting one in my opinion. And then last but not least, coming in the number 3 spot, it's going to be Crypto.com, also known as CRO. So this is the biggest one, in my opinion, for the Super Bowl here because of all the ads and different things going on around it. And plus they, have the naming rights for the stadium of over $700 million that they've paid in the past. So this is going to be a very interesting one here. Up 9% here in the past 24 hours, trading at 52 cents. Past week, we're up 16%. Past month, 10%. And then on the 1 year chart, we're up over 469%. As this coin was trading at around 8 cents last year, hit highs up here at one point at around 25 cents, pulled back down to about 10 cents, hit new highs here in October from about 20 cents all the way up here to about 99 cents, almost $1 at one point. And then obviously pulled back down with the market to about 30 cents or so. And then a lot of people started to get in. And now we're seeing another rise on up in the market as it continues to push on higher and higher into the 50s. Now market cap 13.2 billion right now. We see our volume is at 199.3 million, up about 6%. And I'm predicting that volume to continue to rise. We have 50-day typical hold time, 70% buy, 30% sell activity. It is ranked the number 11 coin on the list. Crypto.com chain is an Ethereum token that powers Crypto.com Pay, a service that aims to allow users to pay for goods and services with cryptocurrencies while receiving cashback rewards, guys. So Crypto.com, I believe, is going to have a great day and a great weekend here. Obviously, now, if we have more war information going on about Russia and Ukraine, I don't know how that's going to affect the market, so that might bring things down. But if everything is, positive and normal, we could see a little bit of a pump here going into next week. So we're definitely going to be watching this one. But we're always looking for the long term. Other than Shiba Inu, all of these other ones on our list are long term potentials. So 5, 10, 15 years. Shiba Inu is a momentum play, a day trading play in my opinion. So that's just my opinion right there. You guys have to do your own research before investing and make sure it makes sense to you. Now let's take a quick look at the rest of the market. Like we said, Bitcoin here, if we take a look at Bitcoin, up about 1.5%. In the past week, we're up 3%. Past month, we're down 1%. And then on the 1 year chart, we're down about 9.5%. But Bitcoin holding steady there. If we can break through the 45,000 area, it will be nice. But if we go under here, we could go down to about 37,000. So it's either going to go one way or the other, depending on what happens in the next few days. We have a market cap of 801 billion, which is 34% of the crypto market space. Volume is down 30% right now. And we have typical hold days, 97 days, 71% buy, and 29% sell activity on Bitcoin. Obviously Ethereum a little bit better obviously in the long term. Here on the 1 day chart, 1.6%, 1 month or 1 week down 1%, 1.9%, and then on the 1 month chart we're actually down 11% from those highs, but we did hit lows down here at 2100 at one point, came back up to about 33 before pulling back. Right now we're about that 2900 area. But on the one chart, it's definitely, destroying Bitcoin. It's up 61%, doing very nice here. But that's because I feel like Ethereum lagged in the beginning of the year compared to the market and then boomed here. So once we get to these areas, and the 1 year chart, Bitcoin will outperform compared to Ethereum. But we're seeing a nice bounce here off Ethereum. So $351.9 billion market cap currently, 15% of the crypto market space. Volume is down 30%. We have 65% buy and 35% sell activity on Ethereum. And then obviously Dogecoin up about 7.5% like we talked about earlier. Dogecoin making a nice move here. I'm actually, excited to see how Doge, Shiba, and some of these other meme coins are going to perform today because of the action we're seeing in, the mainstream media, and different advertisements are going to be going on around crypto. We might get some momentum here. You never know. Elon Musk might tweet something tonight during the Super Bowl as well. So it's going to be very, very interesting to see how everything perform, guys. Now, as always, none of this is going to be financial advice. This is all for entertainment purposes only. So before investing, speak to your financial advisor. Do your own due diligence. Make sure you understand what you get into. I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.